Alright, Fangs, this is it. This is finally gonna come true. At last. We're gonna draw our first ever nanovor episode. Alright. Alexa, what is nanovor?
From ctechno.com. Using multivariate repeated measures analysis of variance, nanovor, we found that S. latifolia is capable of interspecific competition when planted in mixed plot plantings in semi-naturalized ponds.
Alright, wasn't expecting that to happen. Alexa, what can you tell me about the creatures called nanovor?
The Portuguese man-o-war, also known as the man of war, is a marine hydrozoan found in the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean.
Sorry about that, folks. Anyways, getting started.
A game called nanovor is available for download. In the game, the player controls a creature that battles other creatures in a setting filled with green goo. The game is based on the idea of collecting and battling with tiny monsters, and it offers a lot of different challenges and gameplay possibilities. The game has received positive feedback from players who enjoy strategy games with a twist.
Alexa, what is nanovor?
As a noun, maneuver is usually defined as a planned and regulated movement or evolution of troops, warships, etc. As a verb, maneuver is usually defined as to change the position of troops, ships, etc. by a maneuver. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for maneuver.
Alexa, what is nanovor? Alexa, can you tell me about the game known as nanovor?
From NintendoInsider.com. The general gist here is that the player must neutralize a deadly nanosstray virus, traversing the vertical. It is a game where players engage in combat with little monsters called nanovor. The game is set in a world filled with green goo and nanovor. Players collect and raise nanovor, which they can use to battle other players or take part in quests. The game features a wide variety of nanovor to collect, each with its own special powers and abilities. It also offers a social community where players can interact and collaborate with others.
Glad I got that question out of the way. Tonight's nanovor will be the first one that has ever been revealed on the series. Tonight we're going to draw Tank Walker. Tank Walker has been the first nanovor that has been revealed on the nanovor series. And basically, this nanovor is basically the mascot of the nanovor series itself. There we are. Alexa, play Hands Up One Piece.
Here's Hands Up One Piece by Hello Romix on Amazon Music.
今すぐにもっと hands up そう夢歌ってずっと stand up 折れないあたか影何度だって壁を越えたんだ止まらずにさあ行こう hands up もう少し進んだら答えにたどり着けるだろう信じ続け突き進んできた新しい世界そうさ僕らの夢のかけらは一つになった揺るがない絆をつなぎ眩しい未来へ今すぐにもっと hands up そう夢歌ってずっと stand up 折れない
as we know, nanovor can come in different forms. There are different types, different attributes. They're the same nanovor, only they come in different colors. I'm going to be sorting them out from favorites to favorite. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a tank walker. Our first nanovor. You can trust me, guys. There's going to be more nanovor like this coming your way. 2024 is going to get better and better. Trust me. Anyway, that's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Get ready for the next nanovor-related episode. And this next one is going to be one of the next top 10 favorites.